So driver delivers from a warehouse to the showroom. He takes the direct route from the warehouse to the showroom. So he goes, and he probably does that when he makes that sound effect when he's driving, because that's the kind of guy he is. But then he has to go some other roundabout way on the way back. And then he goes here all the way around. And we need to find out what his total distance was for the entire trip, knowing only that he drove a constant speed somehow for the entire trip. So, without any idea about time or distance, we're not going to be able to solve. Remember, distance equals the rate times the time. All we have is the rate, which is 40 miles per hour. If we can get one of the other two, we can figure it out. Statement 1 tells us that the driving time for the entire trip was 45 minutes. That gives us the time, 0.75 hours. And so 40 miles per hour times 0.75 hours will give us that distance, the total distance that he actually drove. So statement 1 is sufficient. We don't actually have to do the math. We just have to know that it's going to be 40 times 0.75. So we can cross off B, C, and E. Statement 2 tells us the trip to the showroom took half as much time as the return trip. It's useful to know those relative things, but we are given no distances and no actual times for that. And so without a total to solve for, we won't be able to get down to an actual distance. So statement 2 is insufficient. We cross off D and select answer choice A.